I-Democratic Alliance eGauteng ithi izofaka Isiphakamiso sokungabethembi ubuholi buka ndunankulu uDavid Makhura. Leliqembu lithi kucacile ukuthi uhulumeni wase Gauteng wehlulekile ukuxazulula izinkinga ezibhekene nezakhamuzi zakulesisifundazwe, ikakhulukazi ke udaba lobugebengu, njengoba kubukeka sengathi izigebengu zizenzela umathanda nje eGauteng.
This government has never taken the people of Gauteng very seriously. They've only budgeted to buy 50 new vehicles in this financial year. For the whole of Gauteng, you are only going to buy 50 new vehicles. While Gauteng is so desperately in need of visible policing so that we are able to then show that we are able to take care of the people's needs here in Gauteng and protect the people. The Premier goes to Kagiso and tells the people of South Africa that, we are now governed by a lawless, we are now living in a lawless society, we are now being governed by criminals. Indeed, we are now living in a lawless society because they have failed as authorities to do what needed to be done. Now the question is, why should the Premier and his executive continue to be in the positions that they are holding if they are not able to then turn the fortunes of the people of Gauteng around?